Alright guys, welcome to another video. Real quick, if you're wondering how you can take this Chevy bow tie off without opening the hood. What's up guys, welcome to another video. I'm working on this little cruise here, and I took off the bow tie without opening the hood. I'm getting ready to clean off all this spray wrap and touch up everything here in the bumper against this. But while I'm here, I'm just going to go ahead and, since I'm going to touch up everything, I wanted to show you guys how to take this bow tie off. It has a couple clips here, as you can see there, little teeth. I call them teeth, but whatever, they hook in. And you have a top and bottom hook. You have a top and bottom hook. One at the top of the bow tie, one at the bottom, one at the side of the bow tie right here, and one here on, well, left and right, up and down. The bow tie goes in this direction. There's an arrow right here at the top. You can see here, that's where one side of the little hook clips in, and this side is where one clips in, and the top and bottom go into this. Now, it's harder to do it without going underneath the hood, but you just open up the hood and take off the little panel that's in the front, and you just, locate these little hooks or little clips. Now, you can get there from underneath this grille here by locating one of the hooks with your finger, as you can see there. You push it over ever so slightly, just real slightly, and the other one with your other hand, you pull it over just a little bit as well. But now you have these two that's on the top and the bottom, this one and that one down there. When you're moving the left and the right hook, you can just pry up the bow tie, because it's going to come out, it's going to start coming out, but you got to release it from the top and the bottom hooks. So you just wiggle up and down. So at the same time pressing on this left and right, you're going to push out. It's going to start coming out, and the top hook will kind of go over this thing here. If you just wiggle up or down, you got to do like some wiggling while you're doing it. One side might be all the way in still, and one might be halfway out, not all the way out, because you might end up breaking the clip. So you push out. Let me actually put this back in. I can't actually. So it clips in like that, and you put your finger under here. You locate that one little clip, and you start pushing towards you. As you can see, it wants to come out. So right there, I pushed it, and it's kind of out already. Right? Some up and down motion with it, and then it'll just jimmy out. So I'm gonna do one here. One clip, it's already unfastened. If you do it with two hands, it's gonna be easier. But you can definitely get this out. But being more, you gotta be really, really careful so you don't really break it. Yeah, so you're gonna like wiggle it out, as you can see there. My finger is on that little clip there, and over here the same thing. I'm gonna wiggle it just a little bit. It's gonna want to come out. I already did it. Once you get it off, the first time, it's gonna want to come out. So as you can see there, it's already out there. Just need that up and down motion, some little wiggling. The bottom one here, let me see if I can get the bottom one with my middle finger. Just get your hands in there and try to see. I just pushed it in. You can take one of these and just stick it in there. Now you release the top one, and it just came off. So I'm getting ready. I don't really mind. I don't care that this is all messed up here because I'm getting ready to do this all over. I put this on just to demonstrate on a video. I did. Just wiggle it. I'm gonna show you. Look, just wiggling it a little bit. And the one on this side right here just pops off like that. So now this will make it easier for wrapping, because when you wrap over this bow tie, it leaves a lot of air pockets, and that's how you take off the Chevy bow tie without opening the hood. So yeah, that's it right there, guys. So I would suggest doing this with the hood open, and you just come in from the top. But you most definitely can take this off without. You can do it without opening the hood. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. So yeah, this spray wrap. No, it's not really that hard to get off. Take it off with this pry tool. Yeah, so that's how it looks, all crusty down like that. Whatever, I'm gonna wrap it. Maybe I should leave it gold one day. I don't know.